If you are a freelancer looking for a platform without fees, you have probably heard about Contra. But is Contra actually the best platform for freelancing in 2026 or just a hype? In this video, I'll break down what Contra is, its pros, cons, and whether it's worth your time. What is Contra? Contra is a freelance platform that connects freelancers with clients. What makes it different? It's a commission free, meaning you keep 100% of what you earn. It also focuses heavily on portfolio building, helping freelancers showcase their work instead of just bidding for jobs. Key features: no commission fees. Unlike Fiverr or Upwork, Contra doesn't take a cut from your earnings. Portfolio centered profiles. Your profile looks more like a personal website, which helps you stand out. Built in contracts and payments. You can manage contracts and get paid directly through the platform. Discover and apply to jobs. There is a job board, but it isn't as crowded or repetitive as bigger platforms. Pros: you keep 100% of your income. This is the biggest advantage, especially for beginners. Clean and modern interface, much easier to use compared to older platforms. Great for personal branding. Perfect if you want to build a strong freelance identity. Less competition for now. Since it's newer, it's not as saturated as Upwork. Cons: fewer job opportunities. This is the biggest downside. Less demand compared to major platforms. Not ideal for beginners with no portfolio. If you do not have work to show, it is harder to get started. Limited client traffic. You may need to bring your clients. Still growing. Some features and opportunities are not fully developed yet. Contra versus other platforms. Contra versus Upwork. Upwork has way more jobs but high competition and fees. Contra has no fees but fewer opportunities. Contra versus Fiverr. Fiverr is great for quick gigs. Contra is better for building long term freelance relationships. Final verdict. So is Contra the best for freelancing? If you already have a portfolio and want zero fees, Contra is a great choice. If you are a complete beginner looking for lots of jobs, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr might be better. Overall, Contra is a promising platform, but it isn't a complete replacement for bigger freelance marketplaces, at least not yet. If you found this review helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, share this video to your friend who wants to be a freelancer or looking for a job, and tell me down below in the comments, have you tried Contra before or not, and how was your experience? Thank you for watching and goodbye.